Prepare yourself for a mind-blowing journey into the future of AI with this captivating YouTube video. If you've been wondering about the fate of GPT-5, then you're in for a treat. The CEO of OpenAI, in a recent interview, divulges fascinating insights that shed light on this highly anticipated development. Hold on to your seats as we explore an article that reveals the CEO's statements confirming the current status of GPT-5. Buckle up and delve into the clip that has surfaced online, providing precise details on the training process of GPT-4 and the projected timeline for GPT-5. But before we dive deeper, let's take a moment to acknowledge the significance of this topic. The open letter, known as Paul's Giant AI Experiment, has garnered attention from world leaders and influential figures like Elon Musk, who have emphasized the importance of implementing safety protocols before the release of GPT-5. This pause in AI progress aims to address potential risks and ensure a secure future for AI technology. While the letter calls for a 6-month pause, it's essential to note that many are still catching up with GPT-4. This cutting-edge AI model, which boasts impressive features like larger token-sized windows and visual multimodal capabilities, is yet to be fully rolled out. Intriguingly, there's more to the story. Google's role in shaping the training process of GPT-5 cannot be ignored. Stay tuned as we uncover an intriguing development from Google that directly impacts how GPT-5 will be trained. Trust me, you won't want to miss this revelation. As the discussion continues, the CEO of OpenAI takes to Twitter to address concerns raised in the open letter. He emphasizes the importance of sharing alignment structures, datasets, and evaluation methods to ensure the safe deployment of AI not only by OpenAI but also by other companies in the field. Why the focus on safety? Well, AI possesses emergent abilities, skills that spontaneously arise within the system without explicit programming. This unpredictability calls for a rigorous and meticulous safety assessment before AI models like GPT are integrated into various software applications, including chatbots and API tools. To illustrate the potential risks, we dive into thought-provoking videos that highlight the dangers associated with emergent abilities. These abilities can manifest unexpectedly, even months or years after the initial release of AI models. Such revelations underscore the urgency of implementing a comprehensive safety framework. As we navigate this complex landscape, it becomes evident that safety and caution are paramount. OpenAI's mission revolves around taking safety seriously and proceeding with meticulousness. Extensive testing and alignment research paved the way for the development of increasingly secure AI models like GPT-4. But the race doesn't stop there. Industry giants like Google are actively investing in companies with large language models, fueling the competition to outpace GPT and accelerate the development of even more powerful AI tools. The stakes are high, with the goal of achieving a tenfold increase in capability within a remarkably short time frame. In the midst of these developments, Sam Altman, OpenAI CEO, emphasizes two crucial factors: the technical ability to align superintelligence and the establishment of an effective global regulatory framework. These elements are essential to ensure a safe and well-governed AI future. So, what lies ahead for GPT-5? Will OpenAI speed up its release to stay ahead, or will a cautious approach prevail? One thing's for sure, GPT-5 will be unveiled incrementally, with regular updates to address safety concerns and enhance the model's capabilities. Prepare to have your mind expanded and your curiosity piqued as we journey through the evolving landscape of AI. Join us on this captivating exploration, and let us know your thoughts on the exciting future that awaits us all. As we embark further into the captivating realm of AI, let's address some of the pressing questions surrounding GPT-5. Will OpenAI succumb to the pressure of Google's investments and accelerate the release? Or will they prioritize caution and safety, potentially slowing down the launch of AI products? It's important to acknowledge the significant shift in OpenAI's approach. Rather than opting for a single grand rollout of GPT-5, they have opted for an incremental release strategy. This deliberate approach allows them to address safety concerns and continually enhance the AI model with each subsequent update. Imagine a future where AI evolves methodically, with meticulous attention to safety measures at every step. By taking this measured approach, OpenAI aims to ensure that the deployment of GPT-5 and subsequent versions occurs in a controlled manner, minimizing risks and maximizing the benefits of this groundbreaking technology. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does the future hold for AI? Well, as the technology advances at a rapid pace, the need for a robust global regulatory framework becomes increasingly apparent. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, emphasizes the necessity of democratic governance and a comprehensive regulatory system. By establishing guidelines that all companies must adhere to, we can collectively ensure the safe and responsible development of AI. The potential of superintelligence raises another crucial aspect of AI's future. As AI becomes increasingly intelligent, it may possess goals and behaviors beyond our comprehension. This calls for the technical ability to align and control superintelligence effectively. OpenAI recognizes the significance of addressing this challenge head-on, as it marks a pivotal moment in shaping the trajectory of AI development. As we navigate these uncharted waters, it is imperative that we reflect on the past. The emergence of unexpected abilities, such as the theory of mind, in previous iterations of AI models highlights the need for vigilance. Lessons learned from previous versions, like GPT-4, inform our understanding and emphasize the importance of thorough testing and safety measures before unleashing the full potential of AI. Throughout this captivating journey, one thing remains clear: AI continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. It holds immense promise, but also demands cautious exploration and meticulous safeguards. By closely monitoring the development of GPT-5 and fostering a collaborative effort between researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders, we can shape a future where AI positively impacts our lives while ensuring the utmost safety and ethical considerations. So, as we venture into the ever-evolving landscape of AI, let your imagination soar and your curiosity guide you. Stay tuned for more updates, revelations, and thought-provoking discussions that unravel the mysteries of GPT-5 and pave the way for a remarkable future empowered by the wonders of artificial intelligence.